Okay. Let's do this. So we're going to look at division. Okay. Let's have a look at a nice, easy example first. And let's try to do it the long way to start off with right now, and then we'll start looking at it using a shorter method. So imagine I wanted to do 8t5 divided by, let's just say 3. So 85 divided by 3. Well, we can leave it like that, but as we saw, that's not going to be very useful, so we're going to write it in the horizontal format. So 3 divided by, and then that's the 85. So technically that's still 85 divided by 3. Please don't mix it up. It's not 3 divided by 85. Okay, the way we write it is the exact opposite, but it does not mean 3 divided by 85. It's 85 divided by 3 still. So I didn't mean to say that. So anyways, now the way I want you to look at it, if you are having problems with this, is something like this. So let's go with, okay, 3 times box equals, and then you want to use the first number, for example. 3 is from here, and then times as always, right? And then we want a box, and that box, whatever that box is, it's going to go up here, and then that 8 is going to be right here. So 3 times what gives us a number close to 8. Close to. Doesn't have to always equal to, it can just be close to. Now if we write out our 3 times tables here, we know there's 3, 6, 9, 12, etc. And we can see that 8 is after the 6 but before the 9. Right? So 8 is somewhere here. So 3 does not go into 8 at all. But it goes into it twice. So 3 and 6, it goes into it twice with the remainder of, well, that's when you do 3 times 2, so let's use a different color. So 3 times 2, so there's the 2 there, right? What's 3 times 2? That's 6. So you put 6 there, and you're always going to take away. All right? So 3 times 2 is 6, which is there, and then 8 take away 6 is 2, so that's your remainder. And that's where you put your remainder. Cool. Let's do it again. Three times box equals now. So 3, because of this, times always, and then box is always as well. Times, now you want to get 25. So 3 times box equals 25. Cool. Okay, well, let's go again. So let's get that color again. All right, here we go. So if I continue my 3 times tables, I had 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and then I get to 27. Now, I know 25, I can never go over 25. It's either I get to 25 or I have to get less, just like this one. I can't use 9. Okay, I either use 8 or smaller, depending on how many times 3 goes into it. So 3 obviously goes into 6 only, and he goes into it twice. So 3 times 2 was 6, and that's when we took away. It's the same thing here. 3 times what is going to give you close to 25? Well, we can see that 24 is going to be our closest number here, right? So we're going to take away 24, and 3 times what is actually 24? Well, let's do it. We'll write it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So where do we put the 8? We put the 8 up here. And then you have to work out what 25 take away 24 is. That's a remainder of 1. Make sense?